Hello everyone, welcome back to another video demonstration of the Yope3D engine. Today I'd like to show you a simple parkour game I made using the Yope3D engine. As you can see, I've also implemented a text system so you can render text easily. There's a timer in the corner, some title text, an instructions button, as well as a play button. So looking at the instructions here, you can see the instructions are listed, and there's some basic UI with a click forward, an X button to go back, and obviously the play button. There's also a star you can see in the opening screen. This is part of a complex game mechanic that I wanted to include. So as we drop into the parkour course, you can see how I can move around my view using the mouse and how I can move around the world using the WASD movement scheme. Now, talking about the game mechanic, I wanted to include a more complex game mechanic than simply timing yourself, which, by the way, you can see in the timer incrementing as I play the game. I wanted to include a complex game mechanics to show how easy it is to do stuff like this using the Yope3 engine. You can also see how the player is interacting realistically with the boxes on the course. So as we come up here, you can see how if I use the dash, there's an FOV boost and there's a simple animation of stars going outward. As you can see, they fell down. Now, if we dash back again, you can see that FOV change. This kind of flexibility is incredibly important to me, which is why I made it easy to do things like this using the Yope3D engine. Changing the FOV during the dash was very easy, a simple line of code at most. Now, you can see the distance is actually increasing as I go on through the parkour course. I also included that intentionally. Now, as we could come up to the end, you can see what happens if we go. We won. Now, there's a you win screen and a quit button. By the way, if you'd like to test this demo yourself, you can. Simply download the jar from my GitHub. This one was phase2test.jar and double click it. All necessary libraries are already packed into the jar, so no extra downloads are necessary. If you'd like to see more content about my Yope3D engine, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you.